Hello humans, how art thou today? Doing pretty dandy myself. Today we're going to be doing another one of those awesome MunchPak unboxings, and of course we have a special guest star, Meow Yun, here today, because we all know that I kind of suck at taste tests and usually don't like 50% of the things. So
I eat everything, he doesn't eat anything.
Exactly.
Pretty much anything.
Pretty much. And we're pretty much still doing the whole keto thing, so we're going to do like the one bites a little bit here and there, and we're going to be checking carbs a little bit just out of curiosity. But nonetheless, we're still going to be trying everything, and on our cheat days, saving anything that might be delicious. So, we're going to go ahead and unbox this bad boy now. Now, originally, while Meow Yun is tackling that, we have had Roxanne before. We have had...
We had Roxanne like 3 times.
Yeah, we had Roxanne twice. There's another Roxanne.
Oh, I see.
That's cool.
That's Ron.
Ronnie. We've had 2 double Ronnies, and we had a Nick as well. So we've had these 5 different peeps, and we'll see who we have this time.
It's another Ronnie. I don't know how real these cards are. Like,
I
are
feel
they really like.
I feel like they're real. I don't kill the belief. Like,
oh, weird! You got sunglasses.
Hey, cool. They threw it up or tossed it up a little bit. That's cool.
MunchPak sunglasses. I have glasses on, so I can't really.
I like the little bag too. That's so cute and so random.
It's a summer box. It was summer box.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Because this is the August box that we're doing now. We had some other stuff we had to do. These aren't bad. They got some good shade, and I look good with red glasses on, so I should get them more often. All right, so let's start unboxing, shall we?
Oh, I wanted to try these for a
while.
Oh,
shoot, me too.
This is from the Epic Mealtime people.
Yeah,
they do the YouTube videos.
Super keto friendly too, actually.
Yeah, it is. It's pizza in a bag, buffalo pizza style, pepperoni jerky.
Pizza. But I still will try it because I'm pretty excited about that.
These
so,
look good.
Right pile.
I always wanted to try these.
Good timing, right? Then we're gonna do right pile is try, and then left pile is just we've had it or whatever.
Why?
I guess it doesn't matter. Alright. These sound really gross, but really cool. They're the Takis chips with things we've had before. These are Barcel Takis Zombie Habanero and Cucumber Tortilla chips.
Habanero?
Yeah, I hate hot, actually. And there's the other Taki stuff right there. But I just love that because it's kind of like almost Halloween-like because it's like zombie stuff. That's really cool. So we'll try that. We definitely have to try that.
Whoa, this is mushy. This is a mushy something.
Okay.
Today Goldies. It's soft cocoa sponge cake packed with sweet milk cream. Ooh. I'll be trying that.
Yeah, that sounds
It's from Turkey. This looks
cool.
good. I want to eat this. It's soft.
Oh, and then we had U.S. and Mexico for the other ones. I forgot to mention. My turn. All right. Wild straw... Frit wild berry chewy candy strips from Germany. These seem pretty good too.
Is it like licorice?
They're kind of big. Give it a feel. They're kind of squarish.
Oh no, they're flat.
Yeah. Oh, it's like those fruit strips. I wonder, but
yeah.
Could be different. So.
This is Umaibo premium cheese flavor. Long and crunchy corn roll flavored like brie cheese from Japan. I like brie cheese.
Yeah, she does too.
Ooh.
We're getting a lot of really unique stuff that we haven't gotten before.
It's got that little character on it from anime. What's his name? I don't know his name.
I don't remember his name.
Daruma or something.
Yeah. Oh, there's so much.
There seems to be a lot in this one.
This one's
well,
a lot.
actually, they always have a lot.
Alright, that's crazy!
Oh, yeah.
So I'm not going to drink this. Sorry, guys. This is, so I call it ramune. Some people call it ramen. I believe it is ramune, though. But this is obviously from Japan. This is actually my favorite flavor, muscat. They have, like, probably 12, 14 flavors. Strawberry, grape, all these different kinds. Muscat's like a grapey, but a little different. I love this kind. I can't drink it because I'm on keto, but I'll still put it in the fridge for when I'm not. So that's so cool. But, wow. So awesome. I'm not going to waste opening it, so.
This is, wow, watermelon gummies from Turkey. These look cute.
Yummy. We'll try those.
Look at these guys.
My face. And then these are... That's so crazy. They're, cactus... Alright, they're Mizoko Zolo Mixer Cactus and Lemon Candy. Sweet prickly pear candies with a fizzy tart lemon filling.
They're hard candies.
Yeah, so we might suck and spit on those, but...
Oh, these are like those Asian ones. Happo cookies. They're crunchy cookies with pirate-themed illustrations and packed with chocolate cream. They're like those marching panda.
Yeah,
What was that? Koala marching?
Yeah, I know what they are.
Ooh, they look exactly like them.
Nice. This sounds really gross, but I'm excited to try it. This is Hard Bite handcraft style chips. Hard Bite wild onion and yogurt chips. Crunchy kettle chips with a sweet tangy yogurt onion flavor from
Sounds
Canada. Sounds really weird.
Sounds good to me.
I mean, we're gonna try it.
The last thing in the box. Dabke. Gandauer Dabke lemon cream cookies. Crunchy animal cracker like cookies with sweet lemon cream. Sounds good. They're from Lebanon. Can't see it in the picture, but
Ah, all right.
they sound good. I want to try these.
What do you want to try first, actually? I think I know what I want to try first.
I want to try this soft cake first.
Oh, dang. I was going for something else, but we'll go with this first.
I've had it on the brain.
And you guys might wonder why I'm wearing a hoodie. I got something in my eye, which is awesome. Little Luna hair. It is freaking like 58 degrees in Syracuse, New York right now, which is insane because it's still summertime. Well, I'm a wimp, I guess. No, I just want to be comfortable.
It smells really good. Oh, shit.
Oh, man. It smells like a Hostess chocolate cake. Ah,
Let's
no.
get a good look at it. Ooh.
Oh.
Actually, it looks like a Twinkie.
Like a chocolate Twinkie.
It looks like a chocolate Twinkie. It's really dark chocolate, too.
Oh, man. See, I feel guilty about doing this because as you guys know, I'm on keto.
Yeah,
so,
first bite.
I certainly will. I've been on keto for a while, and then we just got back from Chicago where we kind of cheated all week. We're like, we're not going to cheat. We're going to be legit. Then we just ate like crazy, so we fell off and we gained like 4 or 5 pounds. So,
like 3 pounds.
oh, I gained like 5. But what's sad is that like we had decided to be strong and not do any more crazy stuff, and now we're doing MunchPak pops. But that's okay. All for you guys. Oh, look at the cream spots.
Yeah.
You can't look not ridiculous like that.
Ew!
I didn't get cream in the first bite.
That's why I had you take the first bite.
That's such crap.
So that you would get this.
There was no cream. That is like a chocolate Twinkie, 100%.
Oh, that's good.
That's so good. Oh man, it's gotta be terrible for you. Oh, it's so good.
Ooh.
I gotta put that away. That's so good.
That's so good.
That is
What's
so
that
good.
like?
Oh, it really is a chocolate Twinkie, 100% without the brandage. This is what I want to try first. I don't like buffalo at all when it comes to this stuff, but
I like buffalo.
I've always wanted to try this. So.
They have other flavors though.
Woo! It's buffalo-y.
Ooh, that sounds good.
There's your I'll try.
Is it good?
That reminds me of woo! Oh, and some spice. It reminds me of combos. The flavor, like the pizza flavor combos. It's really good, but that's hot. Wow, that's really,
I like it.
that's really good. It's cutting right through that chocolate like it's like nothing. Go ahead and leave that out because we're gonna eat the rest of that later. Oh my gosh. Whew. All right, what's next?
It's not that hot. It's not hot. I don't know what I'll try next.
You want to just stick with the spicy and go with the habanero chips?
Nah. Let's try these. The lemon cream cookies. These smell good. The ones from Lebanon.
All right.
Jeez, I didn't even open it. There you go.
Ooh, no, those look good.
They're overflowing
Oh, that's beautiful.
with lemony. What is it called?
Take a bite of yours.
Oh, it's good.
You can smell the lemon right when you bite into it. Ooh.
You don't like lemon?
I don't normally, but this is actually really good, and that's a really good crunch. You want the rest of that?
I like the rest of it.
Wow, that's really good. It's not overwhelming lemon at all. Like, I don't like overwhelming because I think it's like when you over lemon things, it's gross. I don't like lemon in my water very much. That's really good. Wow. Oh man, that's good. I haven't eaten all day, so I'm pretty excited about this. I'm gonna try these really weird chips. Why not?
They sound good to me.
Yogurt and onion. Doesn't sound too great, but
How does it smell?
like sour cream and onion chips, really. Maybe sour cream. Maybe yogurt and onion is the Canadian sour cream and onion.
It might be.
Looks like sour cream and onion to me.
Yeah, it has like the herbs. Yeah.
That's exactly what it is. You Canadians trying to be crafty. Well, there's a little yogurt flavor, but it does just taste like sour cream and onion. They're good though. They are really good. Don't get me wrong.
They're way better than sour cream and onion, in my opinion.
They're a little bit enhanced. Yeah, absolutely. They got a really good crunch to them too. I'm just saying the flavor is just like that. So when I thought yogurt and onion, I'm like, this can't be good, but no, really good. It does have a little bit of a different aftertaste at the end because of the yogurt, I think. What do you think? Like something is different about it.
A little bit.
Just a little bit, yeah.
These are good.
What's next? Not time for a few more, probably. I think we can hold off on these strips, maybe.
You want to try the fruit strip?
Well, I do, but I'm just trying to cut back on some.
Let's try this cheese stick.
Alright.
It sounds interesting.
Alright, and then we'll try the awful hot chips, which I'm not looking forward to, but I'm not a wimp. Which I am a wimp, but not on the camera. I'll have to try it first. What the heck?
Ooh, crummies flying all over the place.
Weird.
Wow.
Show that. It's like a breadstick.
Ooh, it's cheesy smelling. Oh, like stinky feet.
Let me smell this. Ooh, that's just like Miao Yan's feet. Oh my gosh. Actually, I'm the one with the popcorn feet. Is there anything inside of it, or is it just... Oh.
No. It's good! Oh my goodness! You see how carefully I bite it, and he's like, ow!
Yeah. Wow, that's so good. Oh man.
That's really good.
That is like...
Jesus.
That is like the most enhanced version of a cheesy poop that I've ever had. That's the best way I can describe that. That is so good.
Yeah, it's like a cheesy poof.
And as you
That's a powder.
Well, plenty of poof for me since I'm the hot
Crumbs,
mess.
not poof.
Yeah, it's true.
You get crumbs everywhere.
Alright, let's do this. I want to get this out of the way. This is going to suck so bad. You're getting the first bite now. Maybe we should do it at the same time.
You think it's going to be that hot? Habanero is hot, but not that hot.
Interesting. Can't smell, but the appearance looks different.
They're green. Are they always green? I've never had these.
I thought we had Takis before. They were red last time. Oh! Oh, it's so gross.
It's not that bad, geez. What's the flavor?
Habanero and cucumber. I don't like either one of them.
Cucumber, lime, and habanero. It kind of seems like a weird mix, but
It's pretty awful. It's
I
not.
don't
It's not
taste
spicy.
cucumber.
Oh.
I don't taste cucumber. I taste a lot of lime.
No.
That's so dramatic.
It's definitely not good. Not good at all. Oh. All right.
It wasn't that bad.
That was really not good. But that's why she's here, because I think that's disgusting and she doesn't think it's bad at all.
What was the strong taste for you that you didn't like?
It was this really bitter tartness, like.
That's a lime.
Oh, okay.
Lime is the tart part.
It was really not good at all. So I don't think we should eat these crunchies. They'll take too long. As much as I want to try them because they're cactus, but
These sound like those one candies that we have in the U.S. with the fizzy inside.
Oh yeah, I know what you mean.
What are they called?
I don't know, but I know what you mean. Do you want to? Well, we could do those instead. We can do one of these, and then do that at the end. What do you think? Because these are kind of the same thing. They're both fruit chews, basically. I think I want this actually.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah. Alright.
That sounds good though too.
I think gummies and.
Oh, you're yucking it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, that smells good.
Didn't smell good.
Look at a little watermelons, you see. Alright. Wow.
Very chewy.
These are so bad for you. Bad, worse than I've seen in a lot of gummies.
What? How?
You'll see.
It's based on 100 grams though, and this is only.
Oh, is it doing that thing again? Oh.
I don't know how many grams this is.
100 grams seems like the right amount for that bag.
No, I don't think so.
These are good. I mean, they're actually really good.
They're pretty tasty.
There's no artificial flavor or color, right?
Artificial color.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
I think it means they're made with fruit juice, because it says something about fruit juice.
Yeah. Well, let's end it with these mixers here.
Oh, so you do want to try it?
Yeah, might as well. I mean, it is cactus. I mean, that's kind of cool. I've never had anything with cactus, and I won't eat it later, so you guys are my only excuse that I can do this. So there's one for you, one for me. Now, we won't be able to eat it the whole time. We keep it in our mouth while we're ending the video here, so.
Cactus and lemon.
Interesting, right?
Ooh, lemony.
Mmm. Oh, my. Mmm. Take me to Poland, baby. Mmm. That's fantastic.
I don't think I like it that much.
Really?
It's not bad, but it reminds me of cleaner.
Reminds me.
Cleaning solution. The taste.
For me, it reminds me of just yummy. It's really good. So, that's our MunchPak for August.
What was your favorite?
My favorite was probably... Well, yeah, I'm not going to say the cake, because the cake doesn't count. It tastes just like a Hostess. I'm going to go with that cheesy poop stick thing from Japan.
Oh, yeah, that one. I agree.
That
was
was
really, really cheesy. Really, really tasty.
They are really, in Japan, they are really, really good with cheese flavored stuff. When we went there together, we had we checked out a whole bunch of stuff, but we got these like cow cracker things. We still have a couple of them left. We're not getting rid of them. They were absolutely delicious. So they have a cheese renaissance going on over there where it's really starting to become popular. It really is. And they know how to make cheese. So that was amazing. So that was my favorite. That was your favorite too? Cool. Well, thank you guys all for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Next week's video is probably going to be another Is It Worth It? Might be just something random. Haven't figured it out yet. Should be on Sunday. Again, definitely order a MunchPak. I'll throw some information down the bottom if you want to check that out. And we will see you guys all next week now. Well, I will, because I don't need the special guest star for the Is It Worth It? But we might be doing some random videos. We were thinking of like doing like a vegetarian thing with that burger you want to try out.
It was Beyond Meat.
Beyond Meat. So we're going to do some... We might have some other stuff in plan or coming up planned. So I will see you guys all next week, meow.
Bye.